Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm back from the dead. Apologies for being away for so long, but like I said, crazy times. I've just been really busy with other stuff. Anyway, get that off. Since I've actually had this C43 AMG and actually my CLA 45 as well, I've never actually done a POV style drive in either of the two cars. So for those of you that hate the sound of my voice and are just sick and tired of me pretending to know about cars, then this is the video for you. I'm going to take this C43 up towards some country roads. Weather's decent for once in the UK, and yeah, have a bit of a blast and show you from a POV style of view with a GoPro attached to the lip of my my cap. So let's get straight into this, guys. Such a big car, it does actually, you know, if you throw it around a corner, it does stick. It doesn't feel as big as it, you know, as a fat wallowy C-Class should be. But that 3 litre V6, that pretty much makes this car. Straight away, it sounds so much better than any kind of 4-cylinder engine could ever do, and that includes the new A45S, the new CLA 45S, so it is good in that sense. And you know, having all this virtual display, these kind of gimmicky things, it adds to the whole experience. You know, the very fact you've got a G meter, like, this isn't the type of car that you take to the track, but it's got it. Sound wise, we just back right off. First, let's floor it. It does shift. It's not, I mean, the acceleration isn't as brutal as, you know, what you'd expect from something like the A45. It's not as brutal, but you know, it still shifts. This will still go to 60. It's quoted 4.7, but people have had it down to kind of like 4.2, 4.3, which is very similar to my previous CLA 45, maybe like a 10th slower. Let's just back off again. Alright, let's not kill any cyclists today. Brakes are really good actually. AMG, that's something AMG have always done really good. They always stop on a dime, and you know, for tight twisty roads, you know, you never know what's around the corner. You want to be able to stop, and you know, a car as big and as heavy as this, it's very well appreciated. Yeah, but the surge of power that comes from that 3 litre Biturbo V6 is really progressive. Oh bloody hell, what is that? If we open this up a bit. Approaching a bend, hard on the brakes. I mean, yeah, it's not as darty as a small hatchback, but you know, when you're in full Sport Plus mode, manual gearbox, it is actually really enjoyable to drive. Yep, half the sound is probably pumped in through the speakers, but do you know what? If you're driving, you don't really care. Sure as hell sounds better than my previous CLA 45. The only thing that doesn't is obviously on the upshifts, it's not as aggressive, not as loud, not as antisocial. No, it's more than good enough. Right, I think that's enough of a hoon. I'm gonna cool the car off, get back into comfort mode, and get on with my day really. It's been an enjoyable little hoon, but hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, and I will be getting back into making videos. As always, you know, if you've got questions about my C43, my previous CLA 45, or just AMG cars in general, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you and answer all your questions. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.